Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this segment, we'll continue with the clutch replacement process. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand: a socket set, torque wrench, screwdrivers, and a clutch alignment tool. Begin by lifting the vehicle securely using jack stands. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vehicle is stable before proceeding. Now, locate the clutch assembly. You'll need to remove several bolts, typically around the perimeter of the clutch cover. These may vary in size, so keep your socket set ready. As you remove each bolt, it's advisable to place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Remember, if you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can guide you through any issues you encounter. Once the bolts are removed, gently pry off the clutch cover. Be cautious of any remaining components that might come loose. After removing the cover, you'll see the clutch disc and pressure plate. Inspect these parts for wear and damage. If they show significant wear, this might be a good time to replace them. Next, clean the flywheel surface with a suitable brake cleaner. This ensures a good contact surface for the new clutch. A clean surface is essential for optimal performance. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of travel and focus on your project. Now, it's time to install the new clutch disc. Align it properly with the flywheel and secure it in place using the clutch alignment tool. This step is crucial. A misaligned clutch can lead to further complications down the road. Once aligned, carefully position the pressure plate over the clutch disc and hand tighten the bolts before applying the torque specified in your vehicle's manual. This ensures even pressure across the clutch. With the clutch installed, let's move on to the temperature sensor installation. Locate the sensor on the engine block. It's often situated near the thermostat housing. Use the appropriate socket to remove the old sensor. Be prepared for some coolant to leak out, so have a drain pan ready. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect. Once the old sensor is removed, clean the mounting area to prevent any debris from causing a poor seal. Install the new temperature sensor by threading it into place, ensuring it's tight but not over-torqued. Reconnect the wiring harness securely, checking for any signs of wear. Before you finish up, double-check all connections and ensure everything is tightened to specification. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to call on our services. We understand that sometimes it's easier to have a professional handle it. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service. Finally, lower the vehicle and test your work. Start the engine and monitor the clutch engagement and temperature readings. With everything working as it should, you've successfully completed the clutch replacement and temperature sensor installation. Great job! If you need further assistance, remember that we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.